Now let's look at the rule number 3. The rule number 3 says when the positive ends in one consonant and the consonant end is preceded by a short vowel, the final consonant is doubled, ER and EST are added to form the comparative and superlative degrees. So now we are going into rule number 3. Rule number 3. When the positive, rule number 3 says, when the positive says, when the positive positive when the positive ends in one consonant, in one consonant, in one consonant, and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel, by a short vowel, short vowel, vowel, the final consonant, the final consonant is doubled. The final consonant is doubled and ER and EST are added. ER, EST. ER and EST are added to form the comparative and the superlative. Comparative and superlative. Okay. What does the rule say? The rule says, rule number 3 says, when the positive ends in one consonant and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel. What happened? The final consonant is doubled. The final consonant is doubled and you add ER to the comparative, EST to the superlative to forming of comparative and superlative, ER, EST. Now, let's look at in all the 3 cases. Let's see. Positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, now we'll box them. Okay, now let's look at the words we have here. First one I have here is big. Okay, the first I have here is big. Next, fit. Third one, hot. Sad. Thin. And the sixth one is wet. Okay. Big. Fit. Hot. Sad. Thin. Wet. Big. Fit. Hot. Sad. Thin. Wet. Now, I've got here, the rule number 3 says, the positive ends in, the positive is ending in one consonant, G. This is a consonant, T, D, N, T. When the positive ends in a consonant, one consonant, and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel, I, short vowel, I, O, A, I, E. So, when the word ends in one consonant preceded by a short vowel, what happened? The formation of comparative is by adding, first doubling the consonant. First we are going to do double the consonant. So, and add ER. Bigger. Fitter. Hotter. Sadder. Thinner. Wetter. What have we done? It says, when the word ends in a consonant, one consonant preceded by a short vowel, you double the consonant and add ER. What did we do? Double the consonant, then we added ER, and then what do we get? We get the comparative. Now let's form the superlative. In the superlative, again, you get double. You double the consonant and add EST. Okay? So here, double the consonant and EST. Biggest. Fittest. Hottest. Okay? Saddest. Thinnest. And wettest. How did he form the superlative? Let's look at it. You added EST after doubling the consonant. Okay? Now, the rule number 3 is very, very easy. The rule number 3 says, when the positive ends in one consonant preceded by a short vowel, you double the consonant to form the comparative, double the consonant and add ER. But to form the superlative, double the consonant and add EST. Let's read all the 6 positive, comparative and superlative. Big, bigger. You double the consonant, bigger. Fit, fitter. Double the consonant and add ER. Hot, hotter. Double the consonant and added ER. Sad, sadder. Thin, thinner, wet, wetter. In forming the superlative, again, you double the consonant and add est. Big, biggest. Fit, fittest. Hot, hottest. Sad, saddest. Thin, thinnest. Wet, wettest. What is the rule number 3 says? When a positive ends in one consonant preceded by a vowel, the one consonant is doubled, and to form the comparative, you add er, and to form the superlative, you double the consonant and add est.